Rhubarb is the fleshy, edible stalks, petioles, of species and hybrids, culinary rhubarb, of rhum in the family Polygoniaceae, which are cooked and used for food. The plant is a herbaceous perennial that grows from short, thick rhizomes. Historically, different plants have been called rhubarb in English. The large, triangular leaves contain high levels of oxalic acid and anthrone glycosides, making them inedible. The small flowers are grouped in large compound leafy greenish-white to rose-red inflorescences. The precise origin of culinary rhubarb is unknown. The species Rhubarbarum, Sin. R. undulatum, and R. raponticum were grown in Europe before the 18th century and used for medicinal purposes. By the early 18th century, these two species and a possible hybrid of unknown origin, R. hybridum, were grown as vegetable crops in England and Scandinavia. They readily hybridize. And culinary rhubarb was developed by selecting open-pollinated seed, so its precise origin is almost impossible to determine. In appearance, samples of culinary rhubarb vary on a continuum between R. raponticum and R. rhubarbarum. However, modern rhubarb cultivars are tetraploids with 2n44, in contrast to 2n22 for the wild species. Although rhubarb is a vegetable, it is often put to the same culinary uses as fruits. The leaf stalks can be used raw, when they have a crisp texture, similar to celery, although it is in a different family, but are most commonly cooked with sugar and used in pies, crumbles and other desserts. They have a strong, tart taste. Many cultivars have been developed for human consumption, most of which are recognized as Rhubarb hybridum by the Royal Horticultural Society.